fertilizer water called
Installing the
SNS
4620
that
2-quarter-inch
smells
pound cup
heavily
bit into the
rosemary,
shaper
but I
origin
ran out
to
last
make a
month and
sign
haven't
for
replaced
my...
yet. After our convo yesterday, I needed space. I spent the night in my daughter's room on a trundle bed. I'm going to text my husband today. He usually communicates easier and opens up more via text rather than face-to-face. I'm going to ask for a reason and I'll see what he says. Update 2. My husband won't be welcome in my home anymore and I need to find a lawyer
Just as it is,
ASAP on
out of the
Monday.
box after assembling.
I did text him.
Once
He
everything's
admitted
pulled
again
up,
to
the
putting
fit of
bleach in
everything
my
is
fertilizer
absolutely
water.
perfect. Could not ask
He
for a
says
better
it wasn't
fit.
every joke I ever made, so that explains why it wasn't all my plants dying but randomly over the past 6 months. His exact words were that I deserve to be knocked down a peg.